In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate user comments with CMS in Webflow. Let's get started by accessing Webflow's platform. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Webflow website. You can do this by typing webflow.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once the site loads, look towards the top right corner, where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials here. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard, where you can see all your active projects. Take a moment to find the particular project you want to work on, and then click on it. This will bring up the specific project details and open the project editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, we're going to take a look at the Apps section in your project. Over on the left side of your screen, find where it says Apps. Click on this link, and it should bring up a search box where you can explore various integrations available for Webflow. In this search box, go ahead and type in SuperSparks. This is the tool we'll use to seamlessly integrate user comments into your CMS. You should see it pop up in the results as you type. Click on it to bring up more details. After you've located SuperSparks, you'll want to proceed with the installation. You'll see a button labeled Install. It's as easy as clicking this to begin the integration process. Webflow will guide you through the necessary permissions that SuperSparks requires in order to function within your project. Don't worry, these permissions are standard and ensure that the app works smoothly with your site's system. Make sure to allow the necessary permissions by following the on-screen prompts. Once installed, SuperSparks will be integrated into your CMS setup. This integration allows comments to be collected and managed within your Webflow environment. You can monitor, approve, or delete comments, giving you full control over the discussions on your site. As a final note, make sure your project is published after making these changes. This will save your new setup and make it live, so users can begin interacting with your content straight away. And that's it. You've successfully integrated user comments into your CMS using Webflow and SuperSparks. Feel free to dive in and test it out to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, be sure to check back through the settings or consult Webflow's support for further assistance. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy designing!